Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on this 2017 Honda Accord. It's a 4-cylinder. Customer complained that there's a noise coming from the engine. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show you exactly what I saw and what it's going to take to do this. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. But I believe that there's nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help you to get there. But having said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right. Yeah, right. I took out the belt, right? That was how I discovered this problem. So let me go ahead and place up this camera really good. Sorry, camera kind of shaky. Okay, if you see when I flip this thing around, you can see it's wobbly, right? When I flip this around, see? You see it's wobbly? Can you see it? You see the wobble? See right there, you can see it now. It's wobbling. So the alternator, that was where the noise was coming from. So I have to replace the alternator. Well, I disconnected the battery already, so let's squeeze this guy. Take this guy. Sometimes this thing they can't take to me. We got to put a 12 right here. Check it out, right? What? No, not right now. That's crazy. So we take off that 12 right there. Bring up this guy. Okay. Let's squeeze this guy right here. Go ahead and squeeze this guy. This alternator is kind of funny. There's a bolt right here. And there's something else right here we have to take off. Alright, let me bring the camera. It's kind of windy today. So when you look down here, right, there's a bolt here we need to take out. You see this pulley? We have to take off this pulley because there's another hidden bolt right there. The other bolts that holding the alternator, this pulley is going to be covering it. We're going to take off that pulley to be able to get to that second bolt. All right, KG. So if you look down here, you can be able to see, right? There's a pulley right here, right? See, I don't know if I can get this guy out. That's kind of stuck in there. Let's pull it right here. Anyway, when I take out the alternator, I will explain. Because there's a pulley that is blocking the alternator bolt. You can't be able to see that bottom bolt, the 14 bolt. I took it out already, which is this short bolt right here. But let me go ahead and take off this, and I'll bring the camera closer. And you will see exactly, because it's kind of hard to video because of the position where those bolts is located and kind of right underneath the thing there. Let me take out this completely. It is a short 14 there. Finish it up with this. One more there. So this is the long one. the alternator is 214 volt, one at the bottom and one on top there. And you have to take off this 12 that's holding the pulley and then bring out the alternator down there. I'll be able to get you guys a little more closer. So check this guy out now. So let's flip it over. Take out this stuff. Try to squeeze that guy. How much? For one reason, let's see if I can get it out. Okay. Alright, now I got that. So try to get it. Alright, so the alternator is gonna come out now. Alright, the alternator is out, right? See what I was showing you guys earlier on? Pay attention. You see the wobbling there? It's wobbling. You can see, it wobbles. So I'm gonna bring you guys underneath there and I'll show you exactly what I was talking about. Sorry about the shaking camera. Alright, so if you look underneath here, right? So this is where the alternator sits, right? So there's a pulley bolt right there. And this bolt right here, you can't be able to see it. The reason why, because this guy right here is gonna be blocking your way, see? See the way this guy is sitting right there? So there's no way you can reach this bolt except you take off that 12 underneath there and you take off this guy. So this one is just held by this is an 8 Allen key to take off that. So once you do all of that, you should be fine. So we're just gonna bring back the new one and drop it in there and wrap up this thing. So that's a new one right there. There's a part number right there, 11145. Waiting here too. Bring out this guy. This guy. See right there?
So you got some time. When you got some time, I want you to go through this car right here.
Not today.
No, don't get me wrong. Don't talk too fast now. I know you ain't gonna do it today.
Okay.
Whenever you got some time,
Alright.
and you can spare, how long it take you? You know, you see me out here a lot.
Yeah.
I want you to go through this car and check everything out for me.
Alright, no problem.
All right, make sure everything is all right.
Alright.
How much you charge me? Let me know.
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
I'm on video camera right now.
Okay.
So as you can see, everything is
All right.
a one pin. There's a one pin. So just go ahead. We're gonna take this guy out. The reason for that, so we can put those clips back on there. Put that guy right here, and I'll take that the other one off too. So that should be it. This guy here is not really necessary because I don't want it. So let me go ahead and do that and start to part this thing. Right? So put back everything there now. This guy right there. So we're just going to go ahead and drop the alternator in. Go like this. As soon as we finish tying the alternator, go ahead and put that pulley. There we go. I'm gonna have to start the bolt nice. Bottom first, top one first. Get a line up. That's the one there that you cannot really see like that. Let me show you guys. I'm going to show you anyway. What is that? So, we'll be back. Alright, my battery is dying on my phone, so I'm just gonna try this guy right now, and then the other one I might have to do it behind the camera. But let me explain one thing. So you see where my socket is right there? See that board that I was telling you about? You can't see the 14 underneath right there. So one thing I'll advise you, make sure you use the deep wear socket 14. Don't use the short one, so that you can get a good leverage when you're breaking it loose. Because the last thing you want to do, you don't want to shred that bolt now, because that bolt is kind of on a hidden spot, then you have a problem. Okay, so as you can see, everything went well. You know, my camera died out on me, so I have to do the rest behind the camera. But this is an easy one. I'll put a link on the certain belt. It's a 17 that I used to take it out. We'll go ahead and start this car right now. You know. All right, bro. Start the car. Alternator sitting down quietly right there. So everything went well. Thank God for that. You know, I tried to do my job to the best of my ability. I just thank God for that. Car started, there's no more noise. Questions, comments. You know, KG will always require you. Please support your boy by subscribing. Love you. I'll see you on my next episode. KG saying, we are.